guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to add a video in a text. Okay, you need to add a blank video in a timeline, then go to text and add default text. Then write, what do you want to write? I will write snow. And then increase the font size. And then change the font style. I will go with the starry. Then adjust the font size according to your need. Now change the color. Change the color to green. Extend the text according to your video clip. Then right click to create compound clip. Now export this video. Now delete the previous video from the timeline. Now add your video which you want to appear in your text. Then import the exported video. Now add the exported video into the timeline. Increase the size. Now select the exported video and go to remove background and add chroma key. Now select the color picker and drag to select the color. In this way you can easily add a video in your text. I have created another video for you. If you find my video useful, kindly subscribe my channel and like the video and press the bell icon to get updated. Thank you.